These are our national parks. Places we've made memories. Places we protect. Places where we tell our shared American story. And places feeling the effects of a changing climate. Wildlife, ecosystems, artifacts, and historic places and people all feel the effects of these changes. We're meeting this challenge head on, learning, adapting, changing. At Zion National Park, we're replacing our older fleet with zero-emission electric buses to reduce emissions. At Everglades National Park, we're adapting with new buildings designed for resilience in the face of sea level rise and more frequent flooding. At Big Bend National Park, we listened to the science and invested in water storage tanks that help respond to drought, helping visitors stay hydrated and safe in a hot, dry environment. And we're listening to and learning from the indigenous peoples who have cared for these lands since time immemorial. From Acadia to Zion, we're up for the challenge. Are you? Learn more about ongoing projects and how you can help at nps.gov/climate change.